Game theory is a field of study that explores how people make decisions in situations where their choices can affect or depend on the choices of others. It is often used to understand and predict the outcomes of conflicts, negotiations, and cooperation among individuals or groups. Here are 3 easy-to-understand tactics from game theory. Tit-for-tat strategy. Tit-for-tat is a simple and effective approach often used in repeated games, where the same situation occurs over multiple rounds. In this strategy, a player starts by cooperating with the other player. In each following round, the player copies the other player's previous move. For example, if the other player cooperated in the last round, the tit-for-tat player would also cooperate in the current round. If the other player didn't cooperate, the tit-for-tat player wouldn't cooperate either. This strategy encourages cooperation and discourages cheating because it immediately retaliates against uncooperative behavior. Minimax strategy. The Minimax strategy is used in zero-sum games, where one player's gain is another player's loss. In this tactic, a player tries to minimize their maximum possible loss, assuming that the other player will try to maximize their gain. By doing this, the player aims to make the best possible move in the worst-case scenario. This approach is particularly useful in games like chess, where players attempt to minimize their losses while maximizing their gains. Nash Equilibrium. The Nash Equilibrium is a concept that helps to predict the outcome of games with multiple players. It occurs when each player has chosen their best strategy, given the strategies chosen by the other players. In other words, no player can benefit from changing their strategy if the other players don't change theirs. The Nash Equilibrium is an important concept because it helps to identify stable outcomes in which players are unlikely to change their strategies. Examples of games where Nash Equilibrium can be applied include rock, paper, scissors and market competition scenarios. In conclusion, game theory is a fascinating field that offers insights into how people make decisions in various situations involving cooperation, competition, and negotiation. By understanding these tactics, one can make better decisions and predict the behavior of others in strategic interactions.